We're looking at the remodeled X-axis of my CNC router. For those of you that have been following the project, you'll spot that I've added a second linear rail. It turns out that having just the top linear rail didn't work at all. Any table I attached to the ball screw and linear rail carriages just pivoted, and that's not the point at all of this project. I want accuracy, repeatability. So a second linear rail was added. The table will pick up the mounting positions on the carriages of both linear rails and on the ball screw. This triple mount will give the stability of the rails and the drive of the central ball screw. Again, I've used 16mm for all three. It may well be over-engineered, but I would rather it be over-engineered than under-engineered and flexing, because the target is to get a high degree of accuracy and repeatability. I'll just pause the video and fit the table. We rejoin the video with the table fitted to the carriages on the X-axis, linear rail and ball screw. Can I stress again that any bolts at this point are temporary, will be replaced with decent quality cap screws, aka this type. Turning the ball screw, we get movement on the X-axis. I'll take it to the end stop. I plan to have micro switches at either end of the X and Y axes. That's to the left and the right on this X-axis, to cut the power so that the ball screw doesn't come to an abrupt halt when it reaches the end of the travel. So that's the far left. bearing in mind that the router will be mounted in this position, so if it's mounted on the centre line of the table, we've got most of this board, which is 10 inches of workspace. So the router will travel this far in the x-axis and a similar direction in the y-axis. So we're covering a 10-inch square. That's a typical 10-inch square of alloy. Fair size to work with for a home brewed CNC. Hopefully I won't have to turn this by hand on the finished product. Stepper motors controlled by an Arduino will do the job. Thanks for following along to this point of the build. We'll end the video now. See you in the next one. Bye.